Next is slicing operator. So slicing operator. So we are using slicing operator to access item in a list, like indexing things. So how we are doing, the syntax is list2 equals to list1. From the list1 we are slicing, we are cutting something, and we are storing that part to a list2. The meaning is that one. Start we need to give, then we need to give stop, then we need to give the step. Okay, this is the thing. So start is nothing but like from which index we need to start, from which index we need to slice. Default value is 0. Okay, and similarly end is stop. Stop is up to what index, up to what index we need to slice. Default value is length of the list. Okay, and end is a step. Step is nothing but increment. Okay, so let me give one example to understand these three points. So let me create one list1. Okay, and in the list1 let me give uh element 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so let me print list1 and let me verify type of list1. Any name we can give, that is not a matter. So let me comes to here, let me create a list2 which will slice from list1, and it will slice from here. I just want to slice this much. So if I want to slice this much, first I need to find from where I need to start. So in positive index we know we are starting with 0, right? 0 1. So we are starting with 1. Then from from like what is the end index? Index is 0 1 2 3 4 5, right? So end index is 5, but we need to give 6 here, because in this is the stop value, right? Stop -1 it will always consider. So in last one it will increase by 1 by 1. Okay, last one is increase 1 by 1. If I will put like this, now if I'll print list2, then we'll get 2 3 4 5 6. So okay, let's come again. I created one list1, and now I want to slice from 2 to 6. Okay, so first value is in list1 slice, first value is we need to give the start index, from where we need to start. We need to start from the 1 index, because in 1 index value is 2. Clear? And second parameter is stop, from where we need to stop. Okay, so we need to stop in 6, like the item 6, and the index value is 0 1 2 3 4 5, but we need to place 6, because in stop it will always exclude the last one. Like we need to suppose we need to go up to 5 index, that means it will consider up to 4, it will not include 5. So I need to give one increment for that. And last one is step size. Step means how many step it will go, one by one it will increase, so this way it will go. So in other example also we just give, suppose list 3 I need to create from the list 1, and I need to give 0 to 4, and size need to give, step need to give 2. List, okay, list 1, list 1 here. Now print list 3. So now it will give only 2, because why? I have given the starting index is 0. So list 1 starting index is 1. So it's printed 1. We need to go up to 4th index. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. Up to this index we need to go. And step size is 2 only. So here we first 1, then we need to go up to 2 position, to 2 step, that means 3 will come, then there is no other position, because it 4 is coming in one step, but we need to jump by 2 step. Okay, so this is the way slice operator is working, and main objective is to use slice operator to slice few part from a list, or to reverse a list. How we can reverse a list? Suppose this is my list 1. Okay, list 1. Now I want to reverse list 1. Now I want to reverse list 1, and I can give like this. So in this way, if I'll print list 2, then it will reverse my list 1. Got it, right? So this is way the list is like split function is working. And next point is, I just want to complete that part as well. Next point is mutability. Mutability means the dynamic nature of a list. Suppose I created one list 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, better I need to explain in terminal directly. Here I created one list, I print the list 1, 2, 3, 4. And mutability in the sense we can change the element inside the list. Suppose I print the id of L, now it is showing this one. Okay, and now if I'll access L of 0, it will give me 1. Okay, and now I want to change its content. L of 0, L of 0 equals to 100. Okay, now I'll print L, and if I'll verify with the id of L, it will give me the same id. Okay, so with the same memory location, we can change the content of a list. Initially it was 1, now it is 100. So this behavior is nothing but list is a mutable data types. That means whenever we want, we can change the content, we can add the element, we can remove the element from a list. So that's it in this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay with me for upcoming videos. Thank you.